Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn the most common mistakes in English. Let's start with number one. So, in number one, let's begin with do you know? When you hear the word do you know, most commonly we say, do you know where is teacher Kara? Where is teacher Kara is very common when we ask in English. It's asked with WH question followed by verb and followed by subject. This is the common way in asking questions with WH question. However, when we ask, do you know or do you remember and can you tell me? We start with a WH question, then followed by a subject and followed by verb. So this is the structure. So if we use do you know, we have to say, do you know where teacher Kara is? So this one is the correct answer. The structure, when we ask, do you know? Or if there's a word beginning here, we it's always followed by WH question, subject, and verb. All right, so let's proceed with number two. What if we use do you remember? Oh, in here, do you remember who he is? Who plus subject plus verb. And here it's who plus verb plus subject. Based on the rule, we should ask WH question and followed by subject and then verb. So here the correct answer is this one. Do you remember who he is? Right. So let's proceed to number three. In number three, can you tell me? Can you tell me when is Anna's birthday? When plus verb plus subject? Or when Anna's birthday? Anna is a subject and is a verb. So in here, it the answer is can you tell me when Anna's birthday is? To summarize, when we ask, do you know? Can you tell me? Or do you remember? We always use could be who or where, when, what, or how plus subject and then verb. Follow for more.